Hello YouTube, Model Train 9500 here. This is a video. I got my soldering gun, and you will see that spooling up over there. It's a 40-watt Weller. I got it for like 20 bucks, and then I got electrical rosin core solder, and I'm just going to show you guys my method so far, and if I'm doing something wrong, I'm sure you guys will tell me. So yeah, just put it in the comments box, and let me know what I'm doing, if I'm doing stuff right or what the deal is. So let's get started. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna solder this wire onto the little board right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my soldering iron, which has been tinned on the end, and I'm just gonna heat the joint right there, and I'll get this decoder out of the way. Alright, here we go. So I'm heating it. And I put the solder on, and it goes right into the joint, and it looks like it's been attached on there. So that's how I do it. There we go. Get a nice solid bubble on there. So as you can see, there's a, let's see where the macro is clearest here. I guess I can't zoom in on macro mode. But yeah, there's a nice little bubble around that right there, so I'm assuming that I soldered that correctly. Now my question is to you, after having successfully soldered, is there something I should be doing with this iron tip before I go and do more? Like I don't have a sponge or one of those golden puffball things, whatever they are. I don't know what I like. This is how I've been doing it so far, and it's been kind of working, so maybe I'm doing everything alright, but if not, I'm sure you guys will let me know. But that's what I've been doing here. So yep, this is my soldering video, my first soldering video. Let me know, and look for more videos in the future.